Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to delete call history in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. Okay, first of all, in your phone, go to this call button and here go to reasons, and here you will see all incoming call and outgoing call history. Okay, if you would like to delete some particular call, just you can do it. What you have to do is just long press on the particular call history and click on delete button and click on delete, and that particular call lock will be removed from your phone. And yes, see here, I am also deleting this whole history, call history, and click on delete. Yes. So in this way you can delete one or more calls, or you can delete entire call history in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.